Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
We first ask you, the Chief Minister of Goa, who is the chairperson of the State Wildlife Advisory Board, to send an immediate representation to the Union Minister of Environment and Forests, who is the chairperson of the National Board of Wildlife, to scrap the wildlife clearances given to the 3 linear infrastructure projects. You need to send a similar representation to the Regional Committee of the Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change at Bengaluru to ask them to quash the forest clearances granted for the Mapsa-Sheldon transmission line, the Sheldon transmission line, and the approach road to substation at Sangod. Fifth, apart from these 2 relatively simple and straightforward letters that we put forth as a demand, we ask you to direct the Goa Forest Department not to issue any work orders to fell trees for the Goa-Tamnar transmission line and to stop all work related to railway double tracking on non-forest land, else you will have to face our agitations and uprising of many more youth across the state of Goa.